So check this out. I made an anatomically accurate 3D model of the surface of my cerebral cortex. This is the exact size and shape of my brain as it sits in my head. Here are the steps involved. I often have to jump into the MRI scanner to test different research protocols. So I started out with a pretty standard high-resolution brain scan that they use clinically. So I took the 208 separate sagittal slices that you see, and I essentially sewed them together digitally into a block. Then I created a smooth surface rendering of the entire image, which you can see here. Next, I added more smoothing and more detailed contouring by creating what's called a volume rendering. Then I digitally stripped away all the layers of my skin and everything. My eyes, my nose, my ears. I took away the underlying fat, the skull. There's thick layers of dura and meninges that wrap the brain under the skull. I removed all that. I could have kept the cerebellum at the base of the brain, but I didn't want to deal with it, so I moved the cerebellum. Zooming in on the digital surface model here, you can see all the tiny little triangles that are used to create the model. This is called a tessellation. There are about 300,000 triangles per cerebral hemisphere used here to create the model. And then lastly, I just 3D printed the final surface rendering in exactly the real life total size and proportions of my brain. I'm really impressed with how good it came out. If you happen to have a scan of your brain or some other organ that you'd like to do this with, let me know in the comments, and somewhere I'll post a more complete and detailed instruction guide.